Growing companies need to share information and knowledge with their new and existing employees. This ensures that every employee can get their job done. Existing solutions for storing and sharing information may help, but managing, organizing, and retrieving it in a way that allows employees to find what they need when they need it can be challenging. Meet MeBeBot. It leverages the institutional knowledge your company has worked hard to develop, providing an easy way to access accurate and consistent answers to questions, enabling every employee to be more productive. MeBeBot stands out by ingesting your existing content to deliver precise, policy-compliant answers to employee inquiries. It integrates effortlessly into the tools your team already uses. Unlike costly solutions like Microsoft Copilot or Google Gemini, which may surface outdated and inaccurate shared documents, MeBeBot ensures accuracy in information provided to employees, using both generative and verified AI. MeBeBot empowers subject matter experts within your organization to manage the information provided to employees, guaranteeing reliable results every time. MeBeBot's dashboard offers instant insights into employee needs from around the world, enhanced by a feedback feature for assessing answer quality and addressing inquiries anytime from anywhere. This automation significantly reduces the time spent on help desk tickets, emails, messages, and calls by over 60%, ensuring employees get quick, delay-free responses. Transform chaos into clarity. Cut operational costs by up to 30%, boost productivity, and offer employees a reliable knowledge management source with MeBeBot, the cost-effective solution that can be deployed to your workforce within days and marks a new chapter in people-centered services. MeBeBot, the digital front door to employee productivity.